Hello everyone, thanks for watching. Gonna be a really short video today. Just gonna open up one pack of Panini Prizm 24-25 basketball. I've opened up this product in other formats, but I've yet to open up one of these. So let's get right into it. Alright, first up we got Reggie Jackson, Jalen Johnson, Spatoon. Oh, Zach Edey rookie card. Nice. Baselli's rookie card. Wow. Hit a couple of the good ones right away. Oh, let's slip up a little bit. We got Pistol Pete. Oh, and a card behind him. Yeah, we got Pistol Pete on the Legends. Trey Jones on the red, white, and blue. Let's see. They're sticking together real bad. Well, it's Tatum on the red, white, and blue. Legend Karl Malone on the red, white, and blue. And there we get a green upside down. I think I saw the face though. Yep, Dame. Dame on the green. Rookie somebody. De Silva. Instant Impact. Is there another one right behind him? Oh, that one looks like a silver. It is a silver. Zubac. Tyrese Maxey. Bradley Beal. And Eason on the last one. All right. I mean, as always, Prizm's a sharp looking card. I like the design this year. Yeah, good looking cards as always. Nothing super exciting in this one, but I do like those red, white, and blues. So, all right. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Have a good night.